Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss about combinational circuits. What is a combinational circuit? When logic gates are connected together to produce a specified output for certain specified combination of input variables with no storage required, the resulting circuit is said to be a combinational circuit. In combinational logic circuit, the output variables are all times dependent on the combination of input variables. So, a combinational circuit consists of input variables, logic gates, and output variables. A logic gate that accepts the signal from input variables and generate output signals. This process is called transforming binary information from given input data to required output data. As the combinational circuits accepts n number of a binary input variable and generates m number of binary output variables depending on the logical combination of gates. The design procedure to design a combinational logic circuit that always starts from the problem statement and ends in a logic diagram or a set of Boolean function from which the logic diagram can be easily obtained. So the design procedure of a combinational circuit involves several steps. They are: step 1, to identify the problem. Step 2, finding number of input and output variables. Step 3, express truth table in order to make a relationship between input and output variables. Step 4, simplified Boolean expression has to be obtained by using K-map. Step 5, implementation of logic diagram or a block diagram from simplified Boolean expression. Let us discuss one example problem to design a combinational logic circuit. The problem is a majority gate is a digital circuit whose output is equal to 1 if the majority of inputs are ones. The output is 0 otherwise. Using a truth table, find the Boolean function implemented by 3 input majority gate. Simplify the function and implement with gates. So, as discussed earlier, with the help of a design procedure steps we should follow to solve this problem. Step 1, to identify the problem, to define the problem. So, from the given problem stated, the majority of inputs are ones, then output is 1. Otherwise, the output is 0. Whenever the majority of inputs are 1, the output is 1, otherwise the output is 0. Step 2, finding number of input and output variables. As from the statement of problem, the Boolean function is implemented by 3 input majority gate. So the number of input consists for this combinational circuit is 3. So they are expressed as A, B and C. And output variable, it is only one and it is expressed as y. So the input variables are a, b and c. Output variable is y. Then to express a truth table, the input variables of column a, b and c, the output variable of column y. So as stated in the problem, it is a 3 input majority gate. So the combination of logic inputs are, it is 2 power n. Here n is 3. So 2 power 3, it is 8 number of logic input combinations are occurred. So A, B, C, the logic combinations are started from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. To analyze this truth table for each input logic functions, for input 0, 0, 0, there is no ones are occurred, then output is 0. For input 0, 0, 1, only one once is occurred, it is not a majority input, hence output is 0. For input 0 1 0, again only one once occurred, it is not a majority input, then output is 0. For input 0 1 1, there are two ones occurred, yes it is a majority inputs, then output is 1. For input 1 0 0, only one once is occurred, it is not a majority input, then output is 0. For input 1 0 1, two ones are occurred, hence it is a majority input, output is 1. For input 1 1 0, two ones are occurred, it is a majority of input, then output is 1. For input 1 1 1, three ones are occurred, it is a majority of input, then output is 1. So by observing the column output variable y, when y is enabled, when input logic functions are 3, 5, 6, 7. So by using this output logic value when input is 3, 5, 6, 7 to obtain a Boolean expression with the help of K-map. So 3, 5, 6, 7, by grouping these ones in K-map, we have a simplified expression of grouping 3 and 7, 6 and 7, 5 and 7. We have AB plus BC plus AC. By observing the expression y, we have 3 AND gates AB, BC and AC and 2 OR gates. So using this expression, we implement a logic diagram and a block diagram. So in this implementation, in logic diagram, 3 AND gates are there and 1 OR gate is there. So for first AND gate, the inputs are A and B, and for second AND, the inputs are B and C, and for third AND, the inputs are A and C. Finally, the output of 3 AND gates are connected to a common OR gate to obtain output Y, that is AB plus BC plus AC. This is a corresponding logic diagram implementation for obtained Boolean expression. And this logic diagram can also be converted into a block diagram. The logic gates are converted into a combination logic block, and then the input variables are A, B, C, output variable it is Y. So this is a proper way to design any combination logic circuit for the given problem statement. And this combination logic circuit can be applied in many examples like adders, subtractors, multipliers, multiplexers, demultiplexers, encoders, decoders, priority encoders, etc. Thank you for watching.